How are you all? First of all, check out this Facebook page that creates videos on realistic miniature worlds. It uses its own character to make such videos, and look at its views. Almost all the videos have millions of views. No one is working on this niche on YouTube yet, but you can. Now watch these demos that I made completely for free. Amazing, right? So let's start the process. First, you need to take this prompt from my description, copy it exactly as it is, and simply paste it into ChatGPT. Once you paste it and click Generate, you'll see that ChatGPT provides around 10 ideas within seconds. You can preview them and go through them. Pick whichever idea you like. For example, I liked the third one, so I'll simply mention its number below, like 3, and click Generate. Now you can see that it has provided a complete detailed image prompt along with 2 video prompts. Next, you need to generate an image. Just copy the image prompt and go to Whisk, the tool. Paste the prompt there, select the YouTube aspect ratio, and to add your character, go to Add Images and upload your character's image. Once the image uploads, make sure it's selected, then click Generate. You'll get 2 amazing results. Preview them and download whichever image you like, side view or front view. Now for video creation, go to Flow. Flow gives you 50 free credits, and we only need to create 2 videos. Enter Flow, click Create with Flow, and start a new project. Adjust the settings, select Video, Frames, Ratio, and Output. It will cost around 20 credits. Click Start, upload the image you created in Whisk, and wait 8 to 10 seconds for it to load. Then copy the first motion prompt from ChatGPT and paste it there, and click Generate. Your video will start generating. The video will be ready and looks amazing, but if you want to use the second image, front view, just repeat the process. Upload the second image, paste the same prompt, and generate again. Once your video is ready, you can extend it. Click the Extend option, copy the second video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it, and generate again. This will continue your video. Wait about 10 to 15 seconds and your extended video will be ready. You get 50 credits daily via Gmail, and since each video uses about 20 credits, you can easily create 1 full video with 40 credits using 1 email. Your final video will be ready and look very realistic. That's how you can create videos in this niche. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Take care till the next video.